Rush is Aquatica Orlando's newest family thrill water adventure. The great part about Ray Rush is that family and friends can all ride together. They'll slide, splash, and soar on unique elements never seen before here at Aquatica. So what's different about Ray Rush is the 3 unique slide elements that we've incorporated in this attraction, and it's something that Aquatica has never done before. The first element is a master blaster, which accelerates riders as they start their journey into an enclosed tunnel that leads them to our second unique element, which is a 12,000-pound aquasphere. Riders will slide and glide along the walls of this sphere, and they'll transition to the third element, which really is the inspiration for Ray Rush's name. It's an open-air half-pipe that resembles the shape of a manta ray, and it's really the highlight or the centerpiece of the new attraction. It's a very family-friendly ride, and that is just a natural fit for our mix of attractions here at Aquatica. You know, one of the things we try to do with each new attraction is provide something for everyone, and Ray Rush really delivers on that. It's fun for family and friends. Everyone can enjoy this ride. The height requirement's 42 inches. You can have up to 4 riders, so it's really something that everybody can do together.